So you know, this is how you buy internet when you're out here in the Republic of Dominicana. So my internet is getting kind of slow. So what happens is I come to this place right here. It's like a little bank booth. I will show you in a minute. It's usually someone behind the counter or behind the glass, which is usually a pretty girl or something like that. And you just basically tell her you want 3 days, 5 days. You know, 5 days is like maybe 100 pesos, well 150 pesos. 3 days is 100 pesos, I believe. So you basically just come here and tell her what you want. You give her your phone number, you give her the money, she put it in her system, and you walk off. And then there's a certain number that she can even do for you that programs your internet. You just press it on the keypad, and this is it. So this is it. So this is the little booth. Come to the little booth for internet. So you go to the window right there, where the window is, and they usually have La Quinta, and you just, you know, pretty much go get your internet. So yeah, that's how it is around here, man. When you're in the Republic of Dominicana, you got to have a chip or either an internet box. I think I explained this before in one of my videos. So previously, say if you travel here from America and you just go into the phone company store. Maybe if you have Verizon, you go into the Claro or whatever store you want to go to. You get their chip, which is very cheap. And you take your chip out and put their chip in, and your phone will work on their service with they give you a number. It's really easy and it's very cheap. Probably like $5, if that. So yeah, that's how you do it. So I just replenished my internet. I just see it came on my screen for notification. So now I'm ready to rock and roll. So let's do it. All right. Punta Cana, guys. Punta Cana. #1 tourist place in the Republic of Dominicana. And also one of the most popular tourist locations in the world, okay? But of course, I'm not in the tourist area. Y'all know how I like to kick it. I like to kick it in the barrios. So that's where I'm at right now. Walking, carrying some delicious pollo, which is chicken, arroz, which is rice, frios, which is beans, and a Sprite, of course. I'm just walking down the street with all of this. Just left the store that you just saw earlier. So yeah, man, I'll be back with y'all in a minute.
¿A qué hora llegamos donde mamá? A la 1, mamá. Mamá, pero son 2 horas que se toman y nosotros salimos de allá a las 2 de la tarde. Ajá. cuando llegamos a la parada, duramos 1 hora en la guagua porque salimos a las 2.